In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the script that you can use to easily create projects for CSC 1810 or CSC 1820. The web page that I have open on the left is the README for installation and usage. And this is the video that will ultimately be found here. Okay, so let's follow along. Open the terminal, and I'm going to do that with holding down Command, that's the Apple key, and the space bar. I'm going to type in terminal. Mine shows up a little bit big, so let me resize that. Now the first instruction says, if you haven't already done so, create the directory where all of your project files will reside. You do that like this, mkdir space CSC 1810. That is in your home folder. A different video will show you how to get to that easily in Finder. The second instruction says change directory to where your projects will be stored. That's the directory I just made. So change directory, that's CD, to CSC 1810. And notice there's a little bit of confirmation there. Copy the following line. Now, a really easy way to copy the entire line is to triple click. 1, 2, 3, triple click quick. Copy, that's Apple key or Command C. Click over to the terminal and Command V. Hit return, and that has gone to the internet and extracted the correct file, namely the installation, not installation, the project file creator, project creator. Okay, the sixth instruction says copy and paste the following line. That's 6th and 7th. So I'm going to triple click and paste. And nothing is printed in this command. But you can confirm that everything is correct by simply doing the following: // and I'm just going to put in the prefix / crea. I'm hitting the tab key. The tab key fills in the rest. I'm going to hit return, and there's my confirmation that the script is installed and is ready to go. The way that you use it is to simply enter a new project name. So let's call that first project. Now notice I did not include a space. The terminal, either on the Mac or on Linux, abhors spaces in file names. Don't ever put a space in a file name. I'm going to hit return, and now it's waiting for me to hit the return key again, and it is completely done. This execution of the script was done in an already open terminal window. You can also click on the script from the Finder, double click on the script, and it will also run correctly. You can confirm that it's run correctly. ls to, what did I call it? First project. I notice I'm typing in the prefix, I'm hitting tab. And there is your ready-made, ready-to-go project for Visual Studio Code C++ on the Macintosh.